if you are a new user, whenever you get onboarded into the sandbox, you will have some initial onboarding steps, which we are continuously improving and enhancing based on the feedback you are giving. Which you can find it here. So when you as a business, when you enter, you need some your business details for as a first step. Yeah. So for now, I'm just gonna put some example numbers. I don't want to put the details. Billing address with the phone code. Yeah, Singapore tax number. It's not if you're a business, you can put your tax number. Then I wanted to warn you, this is a newly released beta SuperAdmin, so we're still improvising. So default currency, I'm going to use Singapore dollar, and language English. Select your platform business model. So when you're a marketplace, you can select C2C. If you're a B2B marketplace, we're going to have a B2B module soon. You can select that. Or if it's just like a direct B2C brand where you are a single brand which you're going to sell to. For example, you are a big university where you're going to like sell only your courses, then it's considered like a B2C model. In a technical way, I think you have this one, yeah, this logic. It's not exactly like this. I'm looking for a simple one. Yeah, this is one to many. This is something like according to our model. When you like select these things, platform model, how we define is that this is a B2C model. This is from business to consumer. Let's say here you have three like this is a buyer, and there is another like three sellers, similar maybe like three type of universities. Then you are considered as a marketplace. Okay, all right. So that's Coursera or Udemy. It's actually Coursera. We can say it's like a B2B marketplace. You don't just go there and then sign up and then post your content. In Udemy, you can just go there and then sign up and put your content. Yeah, but in Coursera you can't really. They work only with the universities, so you don't. So for those kind of marketplaces, maybe we need to have some additional function like a B2B model. Okay, to make it very simple, C2C is a consumer to consumer. Okay, many people to many sellers to many buyers. You can replace this word seller with anything. For example, many colleges, many companies, anything you can imagine. Okay, let me just use C2C as a platform business model. Then payment method. How are you gonna collect payment method? Okay, so cash on delivery for a course marketplace, you do not need that. That will be useful for a local maybe like a store-based marketplaces. Stripe, which is good, or this is for Latin America payment gateway, and this is for Africa Pay Dunia. So Stripe allows you to onboard your educators where they can open the account and they can receive the payouts. So Stripe allows this marketplace payment of gateway. Okay, so I'm just going to use the Stripe as an example. But if you're looking for more information on which payment gateway you need and all those things, you better like we can speak, and also you can also like check here what are all the payment gateways we offer. It should be under payment gateways here. No, sorry, it's here. Yeah, so we can discuss it differently. Okay, but anyway, if the payment gateway you're looking for is already there, you just select it. If you don't, if it is not there, then don't worry. All right, actually we should have an option for others. We don't have it, so it's not there. And select platform shipping method. So for this one, for education marketplace, in this onboarding, there is not a specific thing for education marketplace, so don't worry about it. This is still an optional thing which you can change it later when you go inside the SuperAdmin panel. So for now, we still need to do some checkouts and all those things, so I'm going to use delivery. Even though you create like delivery here, you can change this delivery name into something else inside when you like go to your admin panel. I'll show that as well. Yeah, let's wait for it. So let's say you wanted to have location features inside the app. For example, when your tutors, when they sign up, you can collect their location. When you collect this location, you can use this location to show when a student search for a nearby teachers, they can, because for the app to show, you need the lat and longitude. So when the tutors open their profile, we need to collect the lat and longitude. Then only when the student search for it from his location or her location, we will get her lat and longitude, an approximate one. Then we will be able to find around the diameter. No, it's not diameter. The radius. Where is the nearby teachers? Yeah, that's the purpose of it. And also you can use this location to search not just accounts but also by listings as well. So if you wanted to collect the lat and long on listing level, you can do so. There is one thing here. When you activate this location, and also we have a default setting, this when a tutor try to submit a listing, his location from account will be passed over automatically. Okay, just to increase the experience of that, so he don't need to fill always. But let's say if you wanted to change, he can still change in the listing. Okay, just to stop, I'm not sure whether did I mention you what is listing and what is the profiles. Okay, we are here. Georgia Institute of Technology, this is an account. Okay, introduction to user experience, this is an listing. So for example, if I go here, I hope they allow us to click the university. Okay. They don't allow, or else we can see from in another way. We can tell that here Rosa is an profile. Yeah, Rosa is an profile. It's an account. So we can consider this Rosa. Under Rosa, there will be a listing. So the hierarchy is accounts are the first category, like a first tree. I mean the first in the hierarchy. Then under account you can have listings. Under listings, then you can have attributes. Yeah. So this is the base fundamental. All right. So now let me go back to the. I'm going to use this checklist as well. That's why I'm like having it here. But anyway, I'm gonna activate the location in listing account, and also we need to activate the nearby. I mean, of course, Coursera doesn't have this like a near. You show the nearby accounts, but I'm just gonna activate it so we can see how this is gonna work. And there is another thing. Why do we have Google Maps and Openstreetmap? It's because when we use Google Maps, their API is chargeable, but they provide accurate location. They provide something called Places API. For example, there is a Starbucks and you want to search a Starbucks through the API, we need to buy this Places API because we want the place. Yeah, and there is a general API which is like provide the geographic location. For example, London. So if we just need this Google's pinpointed or like a map, I mean this background thing, then it's we use the Google Maps API. But if we want to use their places, because whenever we like consume the API, we send a call. It's like a phone call. You send the call, then they return back with the information. So when we send the call to get places, then it is considered as a Places API. I know it's very detailed. Sorry, I just want to make sure kids understand. All right, Google Maps and OpenStreetMap, it's open source thing, but they provide only the open source contributed things. So we can say like you may get like you can't get exactly like Google Maps. They provide very accurate informations, but OpenStreetMap is better than nothing. If you are just looking for approximate location based services, then you can use this thing. Okay, all right. So I'll just use OpenStreetMap for now. Okay. Then select your platform registration type. when your users register here, for example, I'm here, they can register via email, they can register via phone number. Even in phone number, there is two ways they can register. One is that only when you register, when they register, you can you ask for an OTP and then they register, and then next time when they log in, they can use their mobile number and password. But let's say for banking and financial thing, they prefer the sign in should happen every time with an OTP. Yeah. So you can select that we provide this 3 authentication. So when you change here, actually those things will change here as well. So let's say if I, for example, if I close this, no, I will show you. Yeah, later I will show you, because we need to finish this onboarding thing. Then only those information will reflect there. So let's finish. Thankfully, we did. So what do we see here? It says you can download the Tradely platform app. The links are here. Maybe we need to make it like a more like clickable thing. So, but it's still clickable, but in terms of UI. So you can download these prototyping apps. For example, if I like click this Android app, go there, you can download in your mobile. So on the first screen, it's going to ask you a tenant ID. We're going to change this to an app name to make it more layman. So what's your app name? It's EduTech. When you sign up, you put your app name. For example, I used EduTech. So when I'm trying to log in there, I need to put EduTech. So for example, if I go here, so let me just log out. Yeah, I'm already logged in. Let's just directly go there. Okay, let's say now let me sign up. What did it ask? It asked me phone number based registration. I think I made a mistake, because not a mistake. As I have selected phone number, I need to sign up with my phone number. All right. Anyway, so I need to sign up. Let me sign up with my phone number, and then come back to change the registration type, because we need to sign up for a few accounts. I only have one phone number, so it's better we just do email. So I'm just gonna put JK here, and that is my company email, and then the default password. I need to get into my email, OTP. So yeah, maybe I can share one more information as well here. So when your users, yeah, when any of your, like for example, teachers or students or sellers or anyone sign up, they will get an OTP email. This email comes from the default setup. For example, from what it has Team. Yeah, if you want to change this email, you can let us know what's the email you want to change. So you need to do 2 steps. The 2 steps are like this is a bit technical, but anyway, I'll just go ahead and explain that. So so the 2 steps are domain verification. Let's say you got a URL called Coursera. The Coursera.com need to be verified. Okay, we use Amazon infrastructure to send out the emails. So you need to tell us what is the URL, the domain URL you are using. We will verify. Once we click verify this domain, Amazon will send you few will not send you, will send us a few records that need to be added in your domain DNS. Yeah, I will attach another video maybe in the documentation what is DNS and how to configure. If you do not know, you can watch that video. Okay, so we need to verify the domain, and also we need to verify the email. For the email, it's very easy. You tell us what is the from email, we put it, and then they will send you Amazon will send you an email. You just click the link to authorize. Yeah, once you click it, then it is activated. Then for the domain verification, 3 things. You need to add a TXT record inside the DNS. You need to add an MX record, and also there is one more thing which I will Yeah, there is something called generate Dkmi settings as well. In this screenshot, it's not there. So when we are onboarding you, you need to do these 3 things for us. Okay, then only you will get a like a fully like a white label email. And also you can let us know what is this content you wanted to put here. If you wanted to make your job easier, just put a simple text-based content and give it to us. We will replace this thing. Or if you wanted to go ahead and do a proper one, prepare a HTML and provide us the HTML. We are still working on having another section here where you will be able to manage and customize this email from your end itself, but currently we don't have it. In a 2 weeks it's going to be available. Now it's June 3, yeah, so in a month, maybe within the end of the June month, you will be able to manage all those things here. So for now you still need to work with this on that. All right, so I got the OTP. Did I forget to put the OTP? Wait. 55. Not sure how much time the token expires, but anyway, yeah, so I signed up now. All right, so I was in the dashboard. So once I need to log in again after a certain time. So once you finish the onboarding, that's the first part. I'm gonna update this checklist in the documentation as well. Yeah, signing up the sandbox. So we have finished selecting our app name, language, registration method, business model, revenue model, delivery method. If you don't need delivery method, you can just like skip that. Choose the payment gateways. If you don't find the payment gateways, just skip that. Location on the map. If you don't skip that. If you need that, just select the things. Okay, and yeah, you finish signing onboarding on the first step.